Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup, it's about festival makeup, colorful, bright, happy makeup. And let's start celebrating summer by doing something different. Why not, yeah? So I started already with primer, and I'm using Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. This is a sample that I got, but I bought because it's my favorite primer. For eyes, I've used the Kiko eye primer. I really like this primer. It's cheap and it works. It's amazing. And for my eyebrows, I've used MAC Spiked Eye Pencil. Sorry, eyebrow pencil. And before starting the makeup, I'm using the Stop Spot from Guerlain. Unfortunately, I've squeezed one spot and yeah, it became all red. So I'm just using this to protect my skin before I apply foundation. And I like to apply it before so it dries a little bit the spot. I'm applying on top of my eyebrows the Gypsy Shrine face jewels. For this festival makeup, I'm using My Little Pony the Movie eyeshadow palette from Pure, and I'm start using Pinkie Pie. All the products used on this tutorial, they will be on the description. If you have any questions about the brushes that I'm using, just leave a comment please. This brush is from EcoTools, and then this brush, for example, it's from Rio. I bought in Argus, so they are very affordable. Next eyeshadow to be used, it's called Tempest Shadow. It's a very rich red eyeshadow, and that's the reason I love this eyeshadow palette, because it has a bright pink and a bright red, and that's very rare to find. I think this eyeshadow palette is amazing. So next eyeshadow palette is going to be this purple, and it's called Magic. This purple eyeshadow, it's not very easy to use, so I definitely recommend to use a flat brush, and the brush that I'm using, it's from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use now the highlighter palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Spectra. I've applied on top of the purple to make it more shimmery and not so matte, and I think it looks more like a festival. Now, using from the same palette the color Elia, I'm applying in the inner corner of my eye and on my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. To create a fun look, I'm using the Pink Hearts glitter from MAC, and I'm putting with the NYX glitter glue. So what do you think? Do you like it? Does it look cool? I think it looks pretty cool. Now I'm just applying a black pencil inside, as you normally have seen in my previous videos. I'm using this mascara from MAC. Let me just see quickly the name. Sorry. Okay, it's in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. I'm going to apply now the unicorn lashes called Majestic, and these false lashes are so beautiful. So the eyes are done, and let's go to face. And now I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover, and I'm using this green concealer to conceal the redness that I have on my chin. And so I'm just concealing the spot, and after that I'm just applying concealer to cover the green. And as you can see, I'm covering all the redness that there was. I'm using now the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Foundation, and I got a sample from Superdrug. I'm not gonna buy all the foundations, I'm sorry. So before I buy them, I always try, and I wanted to see if this makeup, well, this foundation, it's actually good. And I liked it. Throughout the day, it definitely stayed matte. The only thing is the shade. I wish it wasn't that neutral. Now I'm using the Tarte concealer in shade light medium. To set the concealer, I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC20. Now, using this bronzer from Kiko, this bronzer is so old, and I won't tell you the name because this was a limited edition. It smells so nice, and I've been using for such a long time, and I can't believe that I still have it. It brings me so many good memories. So I'm just contouring my face with bronzer. I'm not going to do a cream contour. Now, using this blush from MAC, I'm just gonna give a nice pink tone to my cheeks, and after this I'm using the L'Oreal contour powder number 03 and contour just a little bit my cheeks. I don't want to do a strong contouring because we have a very bright eye makeup, and that's the reason. And for highlighter, I'm using again the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter kit. And I've used the color Alia that I've used also on my brow bone and inside my eyes. And I think this color is perfect for this makeup. Now let's do lips. And for lips, I'm going to use Everlasting from Kat Von D called Televator. And this color is just amazes me, and I feel powerful. Now just setting my makeup with Lock-It Kat Von D setting spray, and well, this is it. The makeup is done. It was a very quick makeup to do. The glitter and the face jewels, they do everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, please give me some support, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice weekend.